Okay, hello and welcome to another tutorial with the Excel experts. My name is William, and today we're going to be walking through how to format a simple set of data, simple table, whatever it might be, just to make it a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. So first thing I'm noticing is that my columns are inappropriate lengths long, so I'm not able to read all of my song titles here. So the first thing I'm going to do is just double click on each of these gray lines in between my columns just to give myself enough space to clearly read my song titles, my artist names, and obviously we had enough room for the position that they're in as well. So that's all fine and well, but the song and artist now we can fully see. So now that that's done, I want to merge and center my top title cell. So we actually have a button for that up here in the alignment group. It says merge and center right here. Clearly see that one. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to increase the size of my title just a couple font sizes. I'm going to go ahead and bold it as well with my shortcut Control B, or I can go up to my font group and press the B command, the bold command. I'm going to use my shortcut Control B to get that one done. And I'm going to realign the title for each of my columns here, going into my alignment group once again and just centering each of those titles. I'm also going to center the position column, so all those numbers are right in the middle. I think that looks a little bit nicer. Alright, with all that done, now what's on my mind is I want to make sure these are easily separated, aesthetically speaking. So I'm going to go into my borders drop down from the font group, and I want all borders. I'm going to click on all borders, and now we can see these thin black lines that separate each of my cells. The last couple things I want to do is alter the fill color in the background of some of these cells just to further differentiate them. So the first thing I'm going to do as far as that's concerned is go into my row 2 again where I see position, song, and artist. I'm going to change the background fill color to a nice light blue. And then I'm actually going to change the font color to a white. And maybe we'll make it a little bit darker blue. Stands out a little bit better. That looks nice. And now I'm going to select alternating rows to change the fill color for. Again, this just makes it a little bit easier to read. Now I've selected my alternating rows. I'm going to go into my fill color again and choose an even lighter color blue. Alright, that looks good. So again, that's just a very, very simple walkthrough of how to aesthetically edit your data and make it a little bit easier to read, more pleasing to the eye. Alright, thanks for tuning in.